There are two ways to update the school information. You can click Update School Info on the main body of the landing page. Another way is to click Account Profile on the left sidebar. There are 4 sections where the school must provide updated information. Basic school information, membership in educational associations, administrators, and school calendar. On the basic school information, provide all the information needed then click Save. On the membership in educational associations, check all that apply. Click Others if your educational association is not listed. On the administrators, the existing list of school administrators is listed below the text fields. Update the information that are listed by clicking Update. Provide the information of the school administrators by filling in the fields being asked. Click Save. Remember that the school president and junior high school principal are required information. On the school calendar, upload a soft copy of the school calendar in docx or PDF file format. Indicate the first and last day of classes for the current school year. Then click Save.